The journey of every civil engineer begins with mastering the technical side of the profession, learning how to draft precise plans, run complex calculations, and follow every design standard to perfection. Yet, beyond the lines and numbers lies a deeper reality of the profession. Success in civil engineering is not only measured by accuracy, but by adaptability, communication, and leadership. What truly defines a great engineer is not just the ability to design with precision, but the capacity to collaborate, to think critically under uncertainty, and to transform challenges into progress. Because in the real world, even the best plans mean little without the people and mindset that bring them to life. What was the biggest lesson your first project taught you beyond the technical side? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might be the reminder another young engineer needs today. Technical skills build the foundation of a civil engineer's career, but they are not enough to sustain it. Projects rarely unfold in perfect conditions. Survey data may be incomplete, regulations can shift mid-design, and client priorities often evolve without warning. In those moments, the most valuable engineers are not simply the ones who know the software best, but those who can adapt, listen, and lead. Civil engineering is not just about solving equations. It is about solving problems with people. Understanding a client's intent, aligning expectations among multidisciplinary teams, and maintaining quality under pressure all require soft skills as refined as any technical tool. The modern engineer must grow beyond the role of a drafter to become a thinker who sees the bigger picture. That means developing a leadership mindset to take ownership rather than wait for direction, a mindset of continuous improvement that questions how each process could be done better, and the collaborative mindset needed to work seamlessly across distances, disciplines, and time zones. These qualities transform engineering from a task into a craft built on responsibility and purpose. AXA Engineers embodies this transformation through a culture that values both skill and mindset. The organization's development philosophy encourages engineers to grow not just in technical capability, but in maturity and understanding. Through continuous learning and thoughtful mentorship, each individual is guided to think critically and act with clarity. The result is a team where technical precision meets human connection, allowing projects to move forward with consistency and trust. Engineers trained in such environments do not simply deliver drawings. They deliver solutions that make a measurable impact. Consider the pressure of a large-scale land development project. Deadlines are tight, approvals depend on coordination between multiple agencies, and every decision affects cost and safety. A technically perfect plan can still stall if communication fails or details are misunderstood. The difference between success and delay often lies in the engineer who anticipates issues, engages openly with partners, and provides options rather than obstacles. That balance between analytical thinking and human awareness defines the new standard of excellence in civil engineering today. Civil engineering has always been a discipline that bridges the physical and the human world. To thrive in it, engineers must learn to connect both sides: precision with empathy, calculation with communication, expertise with teamwork. The future belongs to those who understand that every drawing tells a story of collaboration. Technical knowledge might open the door, but it is emotional intelligence, integrity, and adaptability that keep it open. This belief also shapes the philosophy at AXA Engineers, where the mission extends beyond technical delivery. The company exists to support civil engineering firms around the world with dependable design outsourcing and a human-centered approach to quality. By building a stable, motivated team recognized among the best workplaces in Vietnam, AXA Engineers ensures that consistency and care are built into every project. The same commitment that drives engineers to think beyond their own drawings drives the organization to serve its partners with understanding and precision. Technical expertise may start the journey, but lasting success in civil engineering depends on how well one connects, communicates, and grows with others. That is the unspoken equation behind every great design, and the reason AXA Engineers continues to represent a model of how technical mastery and human values can thrive together. What quality do you believe defines a great civil engineer? Technical mastery, communication, or mindset? Leave your thoughts in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Follow AXA Engineers for more insights on advancing civil engineering, achieving project excellence, and cultivating the mindset that shapes a sustainable and successful career.